Namaskar. Today, on the behalf of DAV Mandi, I, Shilva Saklani, wishes you all happy 50th Statehood Day. Himachal Pradesh is a beautiful hill station and it is known as Dev Bhumi, which means land of God. It nestles in the northwest of the Great Himalayas. Formerly Union Territory, Himachal Pradesh became State of India in 25th January 1971. And now the economy of Himachal Pradesh is the third fastest growing economy in India. So let me take you to a virtual trip to this beautiful slice of heaven on earth. There is a touch of divinity and ecstasy everywhere in Himachal Pradesh. Great temples were built in different style and material throughout Himachal Pradesh with the peaceful evocation of its people. Harimba Temple in Manali catches the eyes due to its excellent pagoda architecture. Nana Devi in Bilaspur is one of the Shakti Peeth and having huge pilgrimage importance. Bhutnath Temple of Mandi established by Raja Ajbar Singh in the 16th century. Key Monastery is the oldest and biggest monastery of Spiti Valley and is a training center for lamas. Chaurasi Temple of Bharmor, built in 7th century, is the galaxy of temples, mostly in the form of 84 Shivlingas, and many more like Bajnath Temple, Hateshwari Temple, Jakhu Temple, Brijeshwari Temple, Bhima Kali Temple, Jwalaji makes our Himachal the land of God. Along with these religious temples, monuments are another source of attraction for the tourists. The Rashtrapati Niwas or advanced study in Shimla not only shows the history of the state but also our country. Kangra Fort is the oldest fort in the country and the largest fort in the Himalayan region. It dates back to the period of Mahabharata. The toy train or the Kalka Shimla Railways is under the UNESCO World Heritage Site, and the Great Himalayan National Park in Kullu district is another gem. Nagar Castle, made up of wood and stone, built in 15th century, and it is a combination of Himalayan and Western style architecture. Himachal is also blessed with mesmerizing and breathtaking serene beauty like Manali, Dalhousie, Naldehra, Spiti Valley, Rohtang, etc. In addition to this, there are a number of tourist places that added to its overall charm. Various adventurous activities such as trekking, skiing, river rafting, paragliding, etc. give many reasons to tourists to get drawn to Himachal. Shimla, the capital, is home to Asia's only natural ice skating rink. Himachal Pradesh is a multi-religious, multicultural and multilingual state and is also well known for its handicraft, stone carving, wooden carving, Pahari paintings, carpets, Pashmina shawl and yes, the colorful Himachali caps. Ages of rich tradition, warm and hospitable people, a landscape of breathtaking variety and beauty all combines to pack each year in Himachal with a variety of fair, festival and celebration. There are some 200 deities worshipped in Himachal and numerous fair and festival are held in their honor. Kullu Dashera, Mandi Shivratri, Lavi Trade Fair, Minjar Fair, Losar, Foliage, Dongri Fair are inseparable part of Himachali culture. Himachal Pradesh, the mountainous heaven which will have you captivated by its sights. Only one thought of this place will take you on an imaginary ride between Snowy Hill and Douglas Firs. Without a zest of pollution, this magical state is total refreshment for one and all. So at last, I would like to say, there is a touch of divinity everywhere in Himachal and therefore an old proverb says, blessed are those who wander in the wild valley, for they shall see nature and through her God. Thank you.